My name is Yui Uehara from Oita University. I would like to introduce factory environment monitoring a Japanese tea manufacturing case. In the tea factory, several machines generate heat. So issues in the tea factory are that there is a possibility of effect to quality of the products and performance degradation of the machines by machine's heat. However, the actual manufacturing environment in the tea factory was unknown. For monitoring the environment such as the temperature and humidity in the tea factory, we propose a monitoring system of manufacturing environment in the tea factory. From the observation, we noticed that a possibility to reduce fuel by cutting the extra heat. Thank you.